Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have basics: Git installed, Vscode ready, and a GitHub account. First, open Vscode and a terminal. Configure your identity with git config global user. Name and git config global user. Email. Next, generate an SSH key with SSH keygen because SSH is secure and avoids repeated passwords. Once done, copy the public key and add it to your GitHub account's SSH keys. This connects your machine to GitHub. Make sure the key is active before moving on. You should install and enable the GitHub extension in Vscode, then sign in to link accounts. This simplifies auth and provides UI. Next, choose Clone from GitHub, pick the SSH URL to use your key, or paste HTTPS if preferred. After cloning, open the folder in Vscode so the source control view becomes active. If you cloned elsewhere, run git remote add origin URL to set the remote. Once set, Vscode shows branch, changes, and allows commits. You now stage files in the source control panel and write a concise commit message. Commit to record changes. Then push to GitHub with git push uorigin main, or use the Vscode push button to set up stream. If creating a new repo, use the GitHub extension to publish the branch from Vscode. Finally, if push or auth fails, check the SSH agent is running, confirm your public key is on GitHub, or switch to the credential helper for HTTPS. That solves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.